why the retro is overpowered. Let's look at its melee. Okay, but first we have to know that each Boltok shot does 200 damage. 1, 2, 3. 200 by 3 is 600, and we only have 600 health in Gears of War. Alright, let's look. One melee and a Boltok is a down. But if you try the same with a Hammer Burst, melee, it's not a down. You take 2 Boltok shots. Melee's clearly stronger. I don't know why it has to be, but it is. And if for some reason you're saying, well, the Retro Lancer has a blade attached to it, let's use a Lancer. The Lancer has a freaking chainsaw attached to it. Let's check it out. Melee, Boltok, nothing. 2 shots as well. Now the Retro Poke. It's a poke, 400, and tap tap, 2 shots. Why is a failed execution that strong? That's what the retro charge is. This is a failed execution. You get no penalty. There's nothing. No delay. Okay. And let's see the other guns when you punch. Lancer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shot down. Hammer Burst. Punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. No need for the retro melee to be 400 damage when all the other guns do 325. Okay. We have the retro. Okay. Now let's look at its range. The Retro Lancer does 108 damage, no actives, and 116 with an active in close quarters combat. And then it does 90 in medium range and long range. And then with an active, it does 108 in medium, and long range does 108 with an active. But no active, it takes 6 shots down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Medium range, it starts doing 90 times 7 is 630, so it takes 7 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I missed one. 7. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then when you pop on your active, it does 108 damage, enough for a 6 shot down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Why is a gun that's labeled close quarters combat able to do this? Now let's go even backwards again. And let's do the same thing. We're at long range now. This is where a close quarters gun should be useless. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Why is a close quarters gun doing this? Doesn't make any sense. Pop on our active. And watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now let's check the Lancer from this range. Let's see how much it takes. Let's pop on an active as well. Lancer does 44 damage from this range with an active. Ah, shit. I can't remember the exact numbers, but let's just check it out. It's competing with the Lancer, and that gun's considered close quarters. Now let's check the Hammer Burst. The Hammer Burst is intended as a long-range gun, so it should excel in this range as opposed to all the other guns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. You can down someone quicker with a close quarters gun than a long range gun. I mean, you can argue that the Hammer Burst can do this. You can get down like that. But this is why really no one complains about the Hammer Burst as much as they do with the Retro Lancer, because Gears of War is played as a close quarters game. There's a lot of cover you can do to close the gap, and let's see if you try to use a Hammer Burst. Let's see how quickly it downs you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It takes 10 shots to get down with a Hammer Burst in close quarters combat. So there's no need to. Why would you use a Hammer Burst when it's not there? So we just saw a close quarters only gun beats a long range gun, and it makes no sense why it has that ability. Well, let's see what we get, after this video.